Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in All-in-One Offline Maps. All-in-One Offline Maps is a navigation app that enables users to include waypoints in their routes using 3-word addresses. It has many great features such as displaying, storing, and retrieving unlimited place marks. It has many maps that are available in the app, including classical road maps, topographic, aerial maps, etc., etc. Now let's just go ahead and go to their app. To use the what3words function, all we have to do is go ahead and click on the place marks icon and click on search a location. You can click on the search format bar to view all of the formats that they have available and choose what3words. And you can go ahead and enter your 3-word address. In my case, I'm going to type in index, home, raft, and click search. And now you can see the 3-word address on the map. You can zoom in and click on the 3-word address. And you can choose to set it as target. You can open it with maps directions. You can even export it as JPX file, JPG image file, or text file. If not, you can click on details to see the GPS coordinates and other information. That's how easy it is to use what3words in all-in-one offline maps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.